Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can remove a blog from Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your all of your Wix sites. So basically, guys, you're going to find your blog right here. Just go to your blog, hover your mouse over it, and then click on Select Site. Once you do that, this will take you to your dashboard. And then right here in the left, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of these sections. And then you can click on Design Site. And then once you click on Design Site, this will take you to this page. So normally, if you already have a site, you will be directly taken to your website editor. Because it's the first time opening this site, so I need to pick up a template very quick. I'm gonna choose this one. And right now we're going to the Wix editor. So we need to just wait for it to load. And then once it's loaded, this is how it will look like. So basically guys, right now, if you want to remove your blog, just go to site here in the top. And then here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of these options. And one of them is going to be move site to trash. Go ahead and click on this option. And then click on save and continue. And then just wait for your dashboard to load. After that, as you can see, guys, they're going to ask you, are you sure you want to move your site to trash? Then if you are sure, click on move to trash. And then right now the site has been deleted. If you want to permanently delete it, go to your trash folder right here. And then you can click on these three dots right here and click on remove site, and then you will permanently remove it. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.